Friends, today I am going to show you some fun in my house. My cat and her kitten. Very playful, very sweet, very cute. Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Have you enjoyed the clip? Today we are going to draw cats are playing on the lawn with these toys. Friends, before final drawing, always we have to do the sketch. It gives the confidence in our mind of final drawing. Friends, before final drawing, always we have to do the sketch. It gives the confidence in our mind of final drawing. Now we are doing the final drawing. Some dots here. Cats' faces are very cute. Here is a ball in her hand. Our final drawing is getting ready. See all the cats. How nicely they are playing, and she is very tired, I think, so she is sleeping nicely. See all the cats minutely. When we are observing nicely, our all drawings are coming nice. Observation is very important in drawing. I have taken light green color in my color dish. Mix little water. We should always mix little water, otherwise watery effect is there in our coloring. Dark effect should be there. First, always we have to do the outline with small brush. It improves our finishing. And then with big brush we have to color. We are coloring the lawn first. Now our lawn is ready. We are going to color the bushes. Light green plus dark green I have done in color dish. With the stumping effect we can color the mass fast. And it gives the nice effect also. Now I have mixed green plus black. Now with this paper ball we are going to create crumble paper effect on the bushes. Now we are going to add spray painting effect with the toothbrush. I am applying the color on the toothbrush, but when we are doing spray painting, we have to take some care. Inside part should not get affected, so we have to use any rough paper for it and do the spray painting like this from clothes. Patches of this cat we are going to color with ochre yellow and brown. Here we are going to apply ochre yellow color and some brown plus black dots. Here also. Here. Brown plus white color, some patches, little yellow we are going to mix, ochre yellow, and here again brown plus black or more black. I think more black is there. Here we are going to apply the brown and black color, coffee powder color. We can use big brush here. Now coffee brown plus white I have done, and we are going to cover the stripes of this cat. I have mixed light blue color, blue plus white, and now with cotton effect we are going to cover the sky, somewhere blue also. See the cloud effect. Mixed texture of light blue and dark blue. For eyes we are going to give special effect, like this Google eyes or these ticklies are available. We are going to cut them half, and Google eyes also we are going to use in this to show the eyes of the cats. Now our drawing is ready. I have stuck here Google eyes, here sparkle ticklies, she is sleeping, here also Google eyes, here sparkle ticklies, sky is ready, outline is ready. Whatever atoms you have available in your house, you can stick for eyes, either Google Eyes or Sparkle Tickies. Who has come to meet you? If you like my painting, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and also share it. Thank you.